If you're a contractor here in Chicago, you're losing jobs you already paid for and you don't even know it. Today, 5 ways to use AI to get them back. Let's go. Number one, find the leak. Drop your website into Claude and ask, what's costing you calls? It'll tell you in seconds. Most contractors lose 95% of their visitors and they never know why. Number two, follow them back. That's retargeting or remarketing. Same thing. Your ad follows people after they leave your website until they call. Claude tells you exactly what to ask for, and a local guy sets up a pixel. Now you're everywhere. Quick. You guys have a website, but never heard the word pixel before until right this second? I'll tell you what. Drop pixel in the comments below so I know where you are on your journey. Number three, pick your platform. Google or Facebook, maybe even programmatic. Don't guess. Ask Claude. Roofer in Chicago, small budget. Which one? It picks the right battlefield for you so you don't waste money and time. Real quick. If this is helping you, hit subscribe. I make stuff like this every week. I'm a digital marketer just trying to help people make more money. Now back to the show. Number four, write ads that get calls. Claude writes your retargeting ad in your own voice in 10 seconds. The headline, the offer, the call to action. No agency, no writer's block. It's fantastic. Number five, go programmatic when you're ready. Following people across the whole internet like a national brand. That's a call very quickly to your local pro. They'll help you put in the pixel. Claude gets you ready before you spend a dime. Here's what the big agencies won't tell you. Retargeting, remarketing, programmatic. It's all the same move with different names. Stop paying to reach somebody just once. They keep it confusing on purpose so it sounds like magic and they make you pay thousands for it. It's not magic. It's AI in your corner and a local guy who sets it up. The contractors who win aren't the richest. They're the ones who quit letting warm leads disappear. Hey, that's 5. You try one this week. Drop your site into Claude. Ask what's leaking. I put out stuff like this every week. So follow and keep working smarter, not harder. You want to beat that competition? See you next time.